Okay, today we are working on a 2015 Ford Escape, Escape, as they called them in San Antonio. Here, put that on. Turn the key on. Turn the key on. Problem we're having is the screen is out. Not doing well at all. So what we're going to do to get this out is pull this thing back. Okay, it pops out. Up, and then you can remove it fully by you get the little pry tool. So you want to kind of get up underneath this and push up, and that little leather piece there will separate from the steering column. It's just kind of put in there. At that point, you have a 7mm down in that corner. See if I can get you in there. Yeah, he's got his big old hand in the way. Anyway, lower left and right corners, you'll, after you get that piece out, you'll expose two 7mm screws. You want to drop the steering column down. You get plenty of room. So lever underneath, pull it out and all the way down. So, and lock it back in place. Alright, now grab that and pull straight out. It's in there with clips on the back side. Apparently it's in there pretty good. Do you need a grown man to get in there? There it goes. That'll expose a plug in the back here. Oh no, that's the tab. Where is the plug? It's right there. See if you could rotate it up where I can see. There's a plug right there. Lighting's not the greatest. You take that shit off. Let's see if I can get it. It's got a tab that you push down and then a little rocker that you rock back up, and boom, you're out. Of course, to put that back together, put that back together, you are just going to go through the reverse order. Should be fairly obvious. Anyhow, I'm going to get working on the bench in here, and we'll switch over to the other camera. Alright folks, we're going to try this again. What we're working on is this 2015 Escape, and I just shot the whole video, and my S Pro Link did not record it for some reason. It's actually the second video today that it hasn't recorded. So I don't know what's going on with my equipment, but anyway, we're going to switch you over to this camera, and I'm going to try to show you what I did. Okay, so this is the screen that's dead on this one. Okay, the screen in there, and this comes apart. This one comes apart with clips. The other one had 4 screws in the back. It had 4 screws here, 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 and here. The one that's in the car right now and working. And this one comes apart much the same. There's just a few differences. So I'm going to show you on this one. Okay? So this one just comes apart with these clips along the edge of the deal. Alright, this one detaches from the front. The other one, this ribbon cable, detached from the rear. It detaches the same way, okay, which is you flop this little bad boy up and it comes right out. You just want to replace that screen. This is the bad screen from the other one, okay, but goes back in the same way. You're going to insert the ribbon cable, depending on which way you took it off, back in there, and like that. You can detach it from this end as well. You detach it up there like that, okay, where you just got the screen. You leave the ribbon cable attached, but you still have to work with one of these clips with the little door on it, okay. They're pretty easy. You just have to be careful with them. You don't want to, I mean, I do use a screwdriver to unclip them, but you don't want to do a lot of prying. You just kind of want to nudge them up, you know, nice and easy, because you can break that door, and if you break that door, you need a new cluster. Alright, that's the ribbon cable by itself, and that's that. Putting it back together, just reverse how you got it apart, and you're good to go. That sucked. That's the second one today. I filmed 2 complete videos, and they're just missing off the hard drive. So if this one's gone, might get a little ballistic in here. Might be sending this nice little piece of equipment back. Anyway, it's been a pretty good thing so far, but we can't go through complete videos and just have them lost in space somewhere. That's it. That's all I got to say about that. See if I can get this young man motivated. Go put that back in the car. Alrighty. Alright, we got some lighting on the situation now. So that goes back in. You got to stick that corner in first. So kind of cock it in there at an angle like so. That gives you a little more room to work with your wires. Alright, these wires come out on this side. I'm trying to do it with one hand, but that's how it goes. I can't see. Kind of a pain in the butt to get it back in place just right. That rocker has to rock all the way out and then come back in. Boom. Stick it back in there. Look at that screen. Almost like somebody knows what they're doing. Turn key on now. Turn it all the way off. Crank the car up. Alright. It's got it. Get those 2 7mm back in. Put all the trim pieces back on, and you're good to go. Hey. Hey.
What?
Look at me. Say bye to the people.
Bye. Bob.
If we helped you out today, like and subscribe. Do your thing. We'll keep doing our thing. That's it. Appreciate you guys. Sorry I missed out on all those details along the way, but it is what it is. At least y'all got the information. Hopefully you can read between the lines and do your thing. All right. Appreciate you. Thanks for watching.